Welcome to Pydle Day 64. Pydle is a daily puzzle we need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a partial derivative symbol. So blue symbol on a white background. Have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, just follow along as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. It's a good way to learn how to solve a Pydle. So it is a not equals symbol, but the line through the equals is red, just to make it stand out a bit more. So you can immediately see we need 3 white horizontal lines, and there's also a pattern for the red pixels in each one of them. So let's tackle the 3 horizontal lines, the white ones. So I'm going to do for I, and I'm going to actually do for j in range 3, that's for the count, and then for the actual column number, so the x value, I'm going to say for I in range 5. So we need to fill in all 5 pixels, and then we're going to do Pydle. So I simply for the x value, and then it's every second row, so we need to do 2 times j, no character. Okay, and we gonna, if you just do white, just gonna color them in white. So we need to, one of them needs to be red. Okay, so we're gonna say red if. Okay, so what is the if? So if x, the first one, x, when x is 3 and I is 0, the two must be equal. So basically, we're going to say if I equals 3 minus j. So that would mean that's going to be the right condition. So if I equals 3 minus j, else white. Okay, let's run that. Okay, so you can just work it out. We're kind of doing a truth table. So there, I equals 3, j is 0. So if you do I equals 3 minus j, then that condition will be true there. And there we've got x or I is 2, and j is 1. So that again is going to be true. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's going to work out, and the same for the last one. Okay, so now for the reason why we did the kind of 3 iterations first. So for the black, all we need is 1 red pixel, and we can achieve that. It's basically a diagonal, and we can achieve that by doing Pydle. So 3 minus j for the x. So if j is 0, it's going to be pixel number 3, which is that one, and 2 and 1. So that's going to 3 minus j is right for the x. what are you going to do for the y? We're going to do j plus 1 for the y. Okay, because we're missing out the first pixel, so it just needs to go increase. And it doesn't matter, we're going to do the middle pixel twice, because this loop is also going to cover that the middle pixel. Okay, hope that makes sense. We need to make that red. Okay. Oops, I made a mistake in my syntax statement. So something's wrong here. Pydle 3, there's an extra common comma. Okay. That is the Pydle for yesterday's Pydle solved. If you've done that, have a go at solving today's Pydle, and I'll see you tomorrow for the solution.